Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the unboxing of the Zeblaze Stratos 2 smartwatch. Let's get right into it. Alright, so we got the box. It's pretty light. It has a watch inside. We'll open it up and see what we have. So here we have the box. We have I don't know what this is. It's like a card. Thanks for choosing us. And then whatever this is. We have the watch and it says InfoWare app. So let's see. Okay, and then we'll put the watch aside for now and see what else we have in here. We have a charging cable, and what else? And then we have this manual's actually pretty thick. It's actually, it looks like a decent manual. Interesting. I'll have to read through that later and see what they say. Oh, it's multi-language. That's probably why. So that's why it's so thick. So it looks like a pretty normal manual. So let's put all this aside and look at the watch itself. All right, this is the actual watch itself. It's not small. I have pretty small wrists, as you can see. So this will look a little bit big on me, but otherwise it's actually it's a decent size for most people. So I'm gonna peel this off. There we go. And we have the watch brand new. The screen is so clean. Just look at that. I'm just going to flip this over just to look at the specifications. So as you can see there, we have specifications such as smartwatch model, Stratos, water resistant, GPS smartwatch with an AMOLED display and all-day health monitoring, battery life of up to 25 days, typical users, and 15 days heavy usage. That's actually not too bad at all. The band here is a rubber. It's like a fluoroelastomer band. It's a little bit less, powdery compared to like some of those other fluoroelastomer bands, but otherwise it feels fairly decent. So I'm gonna try it on. And then of course, if you look at the back here, let's take this out. And there we go. Okay. And of course, we have the charging port right here, as well as the heart rate sensors and all the other sensors. I think there's an oxygen sensor in here as well. And of course, this is water resistant up to 5 atmospheres. So that's actually pretty decent as well. Yeah, so let's turn off this watch and see what we got. So this is power. I did read the manual. Here we go. Zeblaze Stratos 2, blah, 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 blah. Scan code to download. Oh, yeah. I'll show you, but this app is sketchy, man. Like, here. That's the app right there, okay? There's 1,000 downloads. The icon looks sketch. Everything about this app looks sketch, but for the sake of YouTube, I will download it. So, and I'll show it to you later. So, let's see. Close that menu. How do I close this? I do not know how to close this. I downloaded it already. What are you asking me to do? Oh, they probably want me to pair it. Let's see if it pairs. Okay, so it looks like they actually want me to fill out all my personal information. Can I just not? I need to fill out all my personal information. Oh my goodness. I am not comfortable with this. Okay, DOB, I'm not even going to show you that. I'm just going to do it, I'll do the rest first, whatever, body weight, whatever, step target, whatever, distance target, whatever. Date of birth will be, actually, I'll just show you because I'll just put today. Today is my date of birth. Whatever. Fill up personal information. I did. J-I-N. Dude. I did fill in my nickname. Is that good enough for you? I filled, consumption target. What is this? Sure. Sleep target. Sure. Oh my goodness. Wow, they want so much information off of you. I don't like that. Welcome to the InfoWare app. Okay, I'll just choose one of these. Got it. Sure. Wow. Okay, not bound with device. Let's add device, confirm. Allow. Searching for device. I have a feeling the watch might not let you actually start using the app without pairing it with the app, which I don't like at all. Gotta say, it's not off to a good start. I don't know, like, what is this? I guess I'm just waiting. There we go. Pair with device. I gotta say the screen looks pretty good on this watch. Like, that's a pretty good screen. Oh, there we go. So now I can finally start using the watch. Confirm. Got it. Come on. Come on, come on. Allow. Okay. Wow. That was, well, a journey. Alright, so first impressions for this watch. It's not very fast. Look at the lag on this. Like, it's not very high refresh rate, or maybe it's just slow, I don't know, but it doesn't feel very good to swipe around. So vibration intensity, brightness, lock screen. What was that? Oh, it's so you don't accidentally unlock it. I don't like that. I'm just gonna turn that off. Actually, I think it's probably turned off. And what else do we have here? Do not disturb, power saving mode, and then we have watch faces. I like this one better, the best. And brightness. What is AOD? I don't know what AOD is. Standby time becomes shorter. Oh, always on display. That's what they mean. Okay. Auto lock, short item. System settings, restart power, reset, QR code. Okay, so there's actually not a lot to this watch in terms of settings. And of course we have news. Interesting. Anything else here? No? News? And what's here? So we have heartbeat, so let's just try measuring it now. I wonder if it takes blood pressure. Probably not. Let's see if my heart is racing. 89 beats per minute. I have no idea if that's right or not. So, anyway, 92 beats a minute. All right. SpO2. See that. Please wear it lightly, one finger away from the wrist bone. Please stay still during blood oxygen measurement. So I realized I kind of jumped into the software of this without really talking about the hardware. Like, it actually looks decent. I'll say that the body of this blue part over here is okay quality. Like, this metal watch, rim around here is actually really nice. It makes it look really good. Sure, whatever. I have no idea what that means because I don't measure my oxygen very often. So, and then we have the screws and the buttons. They look pretty good. The blue part here, it's like plastic. It doesn't feel as good. Doesn't look as good either, but the watch face, this metal here, actually does make it look pretty good. Sleep data, weather info. I don't know how to get this. Probably from here. Message center notifications. Keep connection between. This is gonna drain my battery. This is gonna drain. Oh boy. Confirm. Reminder settings. Weather settings. There we go. Weather sync. Shake to take photos. I do not want that. Dial center. Do they have online dials? They do have quite a few actually. Which one do I like more? Excuse me. Let's see. Okay, so transferring the dial is actually fairly easy here. Oh, one thing to notice, this watch is very light. It's super light. It feels like I'm holding up absolutely nothing compared to other watches. Like, I think it's because the entire body is plastic and all you have is this metal ring over here, so it makes the watch very, very light, which is not a bad thing because, stuff like that. Not a bad thing at all. Yeah, so honestly, there's not much else for me to do here other than to test the watch. So I'll be testing it. We'll see how it works, and I'll report back to you with a full video. But in the meantime, click like and subscribe, and any questions about this, let me know, and I will take a look. But otherwise, stay tuned for my review video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.